Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Sarfaraz Ahmed, and in this lecture we will study about the complex number, because this is the course of calculus and analytical geometry. And firstly we study the complex numbers कि complex numbers क्या होते हैं. So here is the definition of complex numbers in math. Complex numbers are the numbers that are expressed in the form of a plus iota b, कि ये इस तरह के नंबर्स हैं जिन्हें आप इस शक्ल में लिख सकें a plus iota b की फॉर्म में. So where a is the complex number and b is the real part and b is the imaginary part, and I is an imaginary number that is called iota. The value of iota is equal to minus 1 under root. For example 2 plus 3i. अब हमने क्या किया, अब हमने एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर राइट कर लिया. अब इसमें ये जो 2 है, दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स द रियल पार्ट and b represents the imaginary part, and where I is a iota which is equal to minus 1 under root. This is called the 2 plus 3 iota is called the complex number. So where 2 is a real number, and we can write it RE, and 3i is an imaginary number, we can write is imaginary. So here is the parts of a complex number. In this picture we can see that. So representation of a complex number, this is a complex number. Z is equal to a plus iota b, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part, and where I is the imaginary number. So these are different complex numbers. So we can see that, so 3 plus 2i, 5 plus minus 15 under root, minus pi iota, these are the complex numbers. So basically the complex number is a bigger set, and these are the real parts, these are the imaginary parts. So real part represents the real numbers, and the imaginary parts represents the pure imaginary numbers. So we can see over here, so this is the complex number. Thank you very much.